technically illegal. I'm posting my voice and the screen. So that's what you're gonna hear if you're absent. You're gonna click play, and you will basically see these exact notes transported onto YouTube, and you're just gonna roll with our class. You can hear most of my voice, but you might not be able to hear if I call on Colin across the room, but you'll still see me fill in his answer. Yeah, Josiah.
How funny would it be if some random guy just went to your YouTube channel?
I do have a few random YouTube followers. I'm like, why are you listening to 7th grade math? Get a life. Like, they could be disguised. Hey, I don't know.
Or maybe it's
All right, give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hands down. Can you put it on the ground? Just that. Thanks. Brody, question. I'm gonna pause you. That's not about our aim. Talk to me when you back up. Fluency is the combination of speed and accuracy. How'd you know that, Tatum? You just guessed? Sweet. When we do sprints, today we are starting our sprint. If you were in my Math Pro class, you've done sprints for about a week. We are talking about fluency, and we're trying to hit layups. Did I share with you guys my freshman story of basketball when I was on the freshman team first game? I was pretty quick. I was decent at like shooting free throws, but I never practiced layups. They were kind of boring to me. And so I got the steal. I was really good at defense. And the first like 5 minutes of the game, I get the ball and I dribble it down to the other end of the court. I'm just by myself. And I throw the ball off the backboard and it just ricochets and ends up on the other side of the court. Like doesn't even hit rim. And I got like benched because I could not make a layup. When we're doing fluency, you're basically trying to hit layups. A lot of us, when we're doing good guys versus bad guys Malaya, might be not as great at first. You need to be able to do these skills when we get later in the year. I cannot teach you 7th grade math in January if you cannot add, subtract, good guys, bad guys, multiply, divide in like 3 seconds or less. Okay, like I can't even move on. And that's our goal for today and the rest of this week when we do sprints. When we're adding or subtracting, here's what we're thinking. You're thinking good guys versus bad guys. The first sprint we're going to have is good versus bad. The second sprint, when we're multiplying and dividing, our second sheet is going to be Sam the Caveman. Same is good. Different is bad. Yeah, I want you to put same good, but if you want to draw a picture of Sam and you have time, go ahead and do it over here. Don't spend more than like 10 seconds on it. Did I spell different wrong? Does it have 1 F? I know. I was going to say it. 1 F or 2? It has 2? Okay.
It's fine, your math teacher.
Yeah, that's true.